I got my Hot Wheels Rooftop Race Garage. Fold and go, easy storage. $10. I pay $5. This is open and back. Got our trusty razor blade. Nothing there, nothing there. This means we can now race all of our Hot Wheels. Ooh, stickers. And what? We got another car that would never go into my garage because it's not a real car, it's make-believe. There we go, we got directions. We hook these up, put the stickers on them. Let's see what kind of car it is. It's one of those Hot Wheels cars. Maybe we'll donate this to some kid who likes Hot Wheels. What does it say? Made in Malaysia. It looks like so you put them here, click it, whichever one, tells you which one wins. Who's the winner? So we're going to find out within what? 2 seconds, because that's how fast it goes down the track. Cool.